Hello everybody, this is Darren. Welcome to Minecraft Maker. It is currently February 1st, 2015. You probably won't see this till a little bit later. But I noticed today that Dinnerbro tweeted out that more than half of everybody on Minecraft is using Java 8. Which is interesting. Well, it's interesting if you're on a Macintosh, which I am. So, one of the problems is that Apple decided that Java was a bit of a security nightmare, which it kind of is. And so, so what they've done is slowly started moving away from it. So, if you're using an older, by older I mean more than a year old version of a Macintosh bought more than a year ago, I guess there's a few Macs that you can still buy that don't have Yosemite installed, but if you have something prior to Yosemite, which is macOS 10.10, I think, if you have an earlier version of the macOS, you have Java 1. Or Java 6 installed. And it's a special Apple version of Java 6, and I think they decided they were never going to update it, which is fine. That's Apple's prerogative. You could always go and install Java, a newer version of Java. And let's see here. And one of the problems is, though, that if you go and say, hey, I want to download Java, and you're running, oh, that's interesting. So this is new. So if I did this a couple weeks ago, and it recommended I download Java 7. And this may be now because I currently have Java 8 installed. But I have two servers that I run. One is for the kids, little nieces and nephews. And we had a problem with one of them had a new machine on it, and the new computer was running Yosemite. And if you get a brand new machine with Yosemite pre-installed, they don't give you Java at all. They don't give you any version, even their old broken version. So, question is, what do you do? So she had installed Java, I think it was Java 8, and couldn't get Minecraft to run. So, I'm going to show you here what to do. So I had Java 7 installed alongside the Java 6 that comes with the Mac. And I had figured out how to run, basically choose which version of Java I run with. So basically you want to come here to java.com and hit download. And download and install your Java. And then there's a little test page that comes up and says that sort of confirms that you have the right version of Java installed. And then once you get that installed, but you'll find that if you launch the Mac OS version of Minecraft, it'll give you a complaint. It'll complain about the version of Java. And so what you have to do is you have to go log into your Minecraft account. Logged in, click on download. And here, instead of downloading the Mac specific version of Minecraft, click on show all platforms. And then here, you scroll down and you want to download the Minecraft for Linux /other. Minecraft is built around Linux or around Java. It uses Java. And what ends up happening is you end up with this file. If you go look at the application, the macOS application, and now you get to see all the things I have installed. So if we go find Minecraft, it shows up as an application, but really on the Mac, an application is just a folder. And if you dig down far enough in here, you're going to find that same Java bootstrap.jar. And if we dig into here far enough, we'll find there is a minecraft.jar file, which is fine. Not what we really care about. Oops. Oh, this is what the the Java 8 installer looks like for the Mac. This is what it looks like today. That's fine. There is a download you can get from Apple that sort of lets you run an older version, install the older version of Java, but don't do it. So if we come in here, you end up with this jar file. You run that. And see it says bootstrap. It's that same bootstrap.jar. Only it's built so that it'll go out and look at it'll just detect the current version of Java that's installed. And it'll go through and it'll do the same thing. It'll download the latest version. It'll recognize all your profiles and all your worlds, and none of that stuff is a problem. It'll act just the same. But if we go in here and we go into, let's log on to the server. And we pull up F3, you'll see, oops, I don't have a cursor, but if you look in the upper right, it'll say Java 1.8.0_31. So that's the current version of Java. So I'm running this under Java 8. I have noticed that the Mojang people have been pretty insistent that Java 8 is the best experience for Minecraft. And so I wanted to try it, and I have found some improvements. The network lag issues that I have sometimes going through portals on my home network, those are improved. Performance overall seems to be better, and I get better frame rates here. I mean, this is crazy town. This is Risk's place. So I mean, it's crazy. I've got 250 entities that spawn here. I have to figure out what's going on. Some of them are my chickens, and we went through and cleared out a lot of that. 260. So yeah, we have a entity problem. Anyway, doesn't matter. Oh, hello, Mr. Creeper. Nice shot. So we will, so I'm going to start using this Java 8 for my general plane. Now it means you're going to have to launch from that, the Linux Java jar file instead of launching the Minecraft app that gets installed from the Mac specific version of Minecraft. But that's not a big deal. You can move that into your applications folder if you want, or you can just keep it in some place. You can put it on your desktop, whatever you want, so that you just run it from there, and then you'll be using the new version of Java with your Minecraft. So anyway, that is what I wanted to show you there, because I figured it out. Is pretty straightforward, actually. It's not that difficult. It just is difficult to figure that out, because going through and looking at some of the different forums that people posting about the problem, Minecraft on newer Macs, no one really had a good, clear explanation of what the real problem was. So anyway, that's it. Wanted to show you that, and I will leave that. This is kind of a standalone how-to or tutorial, and I will then see you next time. All right, bye.